Every girl dream about long eyelashes. To achieve this result, girls buy expensive products like serum, mascara, and artificial eyelashes. Now you don't need to waste your money on these expensive products because we bought some home remedies, which can help you to grow your eyelashes very fast. Remedy 1. Brush your lashes 5 minutes a day. By adding several drops of vitamin E on the brush, it can help and stimulates growth. It also clean your eyelashes. Remedy 2. Take a bowl and add 2 tea bags in it. Take 2 onions and peel them, then grate them. Now take a pan and add tea and onion pulp into it. Put it on stove and add little water. Boil the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Leave it. Set aside to cool and then the mixture. Add some castor oil and 1 tablespoon honey. Mix it well. Add JT to an empty mascara bottle and then apply it to your eyelashes by using mascara. Remedy 3. Take an aloe vera leaf and squeeze it to get some aloe vera gel. Use a brush or your fingers to apply this on your eyelashes. Let it sit overnight. Remedy 4. Break a fresh egg and mix it with petroleum jelly. Mix it well and then apply this on your lashes. Remedy 5. Grab a petroleum jelly, warm up your fingers with it, and then gently massage on your lash line and also apply on your lashes by your fingers before going to bed. It helps to grow your eyelashes within 1 week. Remedy 6. We just need olive oil and coal stone. Mix them gently, make a thick coating on eyes before going to bed. These are very effective remedies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.